Just a few more things to cover with you on the introduction to the class. I just have my screen here under main page, and then I'm under handouts, and the syllabus and the MindTap Access. We should talk about those, and I didn't do that in my original video. So here's the syllabus. I just already had it open. There is my email address. That's my cell phone number right there. I would ask that if you have a question to email me first, but if it's just very urgent and you just feel like you need to talk to me, that's very okay. Just call me or text me. I don't mind. If I don't answer, just leave me a voicemail, and I promise I'll get back to you just as soon as I possibly can. I always do. But this is the rest of the syllabus is here, and a lot of this is just kind of the standard info that we put in all of our syllabi. So a lot of the stuff isn't necessarily unique until we get down to here where we talk about what's needed for the class and all that good stuff. And you will need Excel. Excel is free. I think by now everybody's probably using Excel, but you can get that for free off of my.usf. And then what I want to show everybody is kind of how the points fall out with all the various assignments, what the grading scale is right here. Just wanted you to see that. But really everything you're doing is over in MindTap. Being an online class is kind of the easiest way to do it. And then I just want everybody to kind of see the course schedule here too. Usually I get questions about that. So if you want to sometimes it's helpful just to print this out and have it near you, or wherever you would want to put this. That's helpful for you to know. Here's what is expected of me every week. So when you start week 1 on the 29th, this is chapters 1 and 2, and that's the first thing you work on. And after that, chapter 3, and so on. So this kind of just lays out the various chapters we'll cover and when we'll cover them. So I just want everybody to see that. And then the other document that I have open, I've sent both these out to everybody, so everybody's received these, is the MindTap information. So the official start date of the class is the 29th. I just decided to make it open on the 26th, a couple days before, just in case you want to play around with it. Registration link is right here. If you already have Cengage, you bought Cengage Unlimited or a year-long base Cengage because you've had other classes using it, you just need to put in the course key, and the course key is the capitals right here, so that the MTPP63SN43NS, that's the course key. It's just always in caps, kind of hiding out in that link. So if you've already got Cengage, you already own access to Cengage and MindTap, you just have to put in the new course key, which is that right there. And sometimes it's easiest just to copy and paste that and drop it in. And then this just kind of shows you how you can pay for it. And if you're brand new to MindTap or Cengage and you just want to do the free trial, you can. It will expire on the 3rd, though, November 3rd. So you don't get it very long. You just basically get a week. So just be aware of that. It'll expire then. And just in case you don't know, if your system is compatible, it's really easy, and pretty much any computer should be compatible with it. It's right here. And then one thing I want to mention too is Cengage has an app that you can put on your smartphone, a tablet, iPad, if you've got a Samsung tablet, whatever you might have. I would highly recommend putting Cengage on your devices. Really easy to do. It's just an app, and then once you have the app, you just log in with your normal login, and it saves your login, and then you can instantly access your ebook. When you do the homework, if you're using the ebook, and I guess I'm just at the point in my life where I like more than one screen, it's nice to have more than one screen. So if you've got a smartphone, you can maybe have your ebook on your smartphone or your tablet or whatever you have, and then just do your homework on a laptop. Because with your laptop, you kind of want the numbers easily to get to, and the keying and stuff like that. I think it's probably easier to do the problems themselves on a laptop. You might find yourself using Excel to make calculations and so on. But if you've got your smartphone, you've got a tablet, another computer, use that to see your ebook. So you can just easily look at your ebook, look at your homework, and that's just a lot easier, I think, and simpler to do than having it just one screen. Or if you have the ability to have multiple screens, if your home office or where you work has more than one screen, I think that's useful too. So, but definitely check into downloading the Cengage app. It's great. I have it. Super easy. What's nice is if it's the weekend and I'm out and about doing something and I get a text or phone call or email with a question, I can easily get into the book and answer that question. So, and it might be the same for you if you're just working on homework and reading, and maybe you've got some downtime and you just want to skim through a chapter. Well, it's on your phone. If you're at break at work and think, oh, I'll just skim through a chapter while I'm on break, you can do that on your phone. So I think it's just super convenient, and that's kind of why I like these products. So hopefully it helps everybody. If you have questions, again, just let me know. Thanks.